আগমনী কালেকশন লাল সাদা এপিসোড আপনাদের প্রত্যেকের খুব চাহিদা এবং আপনারা প্রত্যেকে ওয়েট করে থাকেন আমাদের আগমনী কালেকশনের জন্য। আজকে 623rd এপিসোডে সংস্কৃতি কলকাতার লাল সাদা কালেকশন আমি আজকে স্টার্ট করব একটা বাংলার তাঁতের ওপর কাজ করা কাঁথা কাজ, হ্যান্ডওয়ার্ক. Matching with the paisley border, we have done this beautiful hand katha work with mirrors. Throughout the body, there will be this paisley embroidery. This is the sari. The whole sari comes in pattern and the weave. This is the pallu part. Here is the close-up of the work. Now I'll open the sari. You can see the amount of work that has been done. If you can follow, the border and the work is more or less the pattern of the paisley is similar. So it gives a very nice symmetry in the sari, pure cotton sari, and comes with this cotton blouse piece, Bengal cotton with katha. কটন কাঁথা লাল সাদা বাড়িতে অষ্টমীতে পড়তে পারেন, বাড়িতে যাদের পুজো হচ্ছে লাল সাদা অষ্টমী অঞ্জলি দেওয়ার জন্য, কাউকে গিফট করার জন্য ভীষণ সুন্দর কম্বিনেশন বাংলার তাঁতের ওপর বাংলার কাঁথা। এটা আরেকটা বাংলার শাড়ি, বেঙ্গল কটন with free hand painting and again mirror work and katha outline in the borders. Paint with katha in a cotton gorod from Bengal. This is the sari, very sober, elegant, good quality, pure cotton saris with freehand painting, very traditional, artistic sari. Without blouse piece. Prices all mentioned. যাদের যেগুলো পছন্দ হচ্ছে আপনারা স্ক্রিনশট নেবেন এবং হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করবেন, শুধু ফোন কলস না। 7603042696 আমাদের হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ বুকিং নাম্বার। পেমেন্টের পর আপনাদের বুকিং কনফার্মড হবে। যারা আগে পেমেন্ট করবে তাদেরই আমরা কনফার্ম করব। ফার্স্ট কাম ফার্স্ট সার্ভ বেসিসে আমাদের বুকিং হয়। আর এটা আরেকটা কটন কাঁথা, বিউটিফুল শাড়ি। আমাদের কটনের ওপর সারা বছর চাহিদা থাকে। আর হোয়াইট রেড তো খুবই সুন্দর, দেখুন শাড়িটা ভীষণ সুন্দর, কাজটাও নতুনত্ব। আর দিস পোলকা পেইন্টিং উইথ দ্য মিরর ওয়ার্ক, দিস ইজ অলসো লুকিং ভেরি কিউট। পাল্লু পাট, ব্লক with katha, very pretty sari, very elegant, and if you see, this is how the pleat will be. See the work in the pleat, yoke, blouse. We will not take any pre-orders. This is the achol part. The other one is a chettinad cotton with kutch work, hand embroidered kutch work in chettinad cotton. Comes with blouse piece, lots of work, very pretty, neat embroidery. Lining is not required, but you can give lining for longer lasting and to avoid sweating. Lovely cotton kathas. This is kutch work, of course. Made in Bengal. See the amount of work done in the pallu. Traditional combinations for the Durga Puja. So those who want lightweight kota saris, you have this woven border kota in an off-white color with red and off-white embroidery. Banaras kota comes with this chanderi blouse piece, so you can make the blouse. These are fully wearable fabric. So whenever we weave a kota, we always ask the weaver to make a more count chanderi or a different fabric blouse piece so that you can wear them, because kota blouses doesn't long last. So hence we give different fabric so that you can make the blouse and weave the border of the sari in the fabric of the blouse also. So it's very pretty, it gives a nice look. This is the sari. Lightweight Banaras kota with work. This is a tissue kota, again lightweight, in gold and red. Highlighted with very fine sequins, and here is the blouse piece. So today I'll be showing a lot of range. Before Poila Boishakh and Durga Puja, you all wait for my red and white episodes. So it's all done with a lot of love, affection, and these saris have all our heart. See the intricacy of the work. Next, I'll show you a tissue chinon sari. Very soft tissue crepe type sari, fine work, and it has a nice red upara border. Very classy looking, just border pallu concept sari with a hand woven Banarasi upara border. Very pretty in gold. The sari is a light gold color, lovely ivory shade with tissue weave in tissue crepe, and comes with this lovely Banarasi blouse piece. Very soft flowy fabric, very traditional and lovely, you know. This is so soft, you know. Tissues, sometimes you may feel that tissues are hard, but this particular fabric is very soft. This is a tissue organza. That was in tissue crepe, and this is tissue organza. Dark red color, maroonish red border. Again, upara maroonish red border. Lovely shade of gold tissue. Very beautiful shade of gold, and here is the upara blouse. Make a boat neck and make big sleeves, you know. Closed neck, you don't need much, just wear a big dangler. Very, very classy sari, very pretty. Tissue organza in gold with upara borders. Semi matka, as I said, I'll be showing you many ranges today and varieties. So you see the episode, but all will be red borders. The base color will be keeping, all won't be white, of course. Off-whites are main. We have the beige tussar color also. This comes, I've shown other colors in this, but we've woven this red patola border for this episode. Other color borders also available, but this particular red border especially for this episode. This is a ikkat patola woven border in semi matka, comes with this blouse piece. So this is again another lovely sari. Very pretty. 4350. Very pretty, sleek, narrow border. Woven organza in gold zari. Very pretty again, and comes with a nice smart hand woven resham border along with a Banarasi border. So this border is not solid, it has a weave. And then we have this pure woven palla, pure Banarasi woven palla. And here is the blouse piece. Very classy, lightweight sari with Meena in the paisley border. And if you see the finishing, this is the back side. We've completed with the fabric netting. So the weave, pure handloom weave, so वो पूरा मीना के साथ intact रहेगा. ये back side इतना सुंदर आपका back side, reverse side भी है. This is a tussar. Byproduct from pure tussar, this fabric has been derived. It gives a very desi tussar colored look. Byproduct of desi tussar with woven pallu and blouse piece. Zari weave, woven border, woven blouse piece. This is slightly blended with tussar. Totally tussar Banarasi look in a gorgeous achol and rich red blouse piece. So even if you want a bit of budget friendly traditional sari, option for a tussar Banarasi which are 14,000 plus, so you can check this out. It's a very pretty sari. I have a different weave other than the zigzag one, is this Meena Jal all over. Really pretty. These are all premium quality saris. Even though this is not pure tussar, it's slightly blended, but still these are premium quality. Many are selling saying these are pure tussar, but no, I'll be honest, and you know this is why what we sell, that only we tell. So there's no hide and seek. I'll tell you that this is not 100% pure tussar, but it's a look-alike. It's a very pretty fabric, premium quality with all over jal weave, comes with the Meena buttas and then the lovely border. This is the reverse side. Lovely piece, and range wise also very reasonable compared to the desi tussar ones. Pure Chinia Muga saris. Silver zari, red sleek border, butta, super soft and a rich blouse piece. This is beautiful. Dude alta border. Coral type border and the butta super soft, rich look, rich silk, and it's beautiful. This is the pallu, rich jal weave pallu, and the blouse piece also very pretty. And it's not the deep red; it's a dot of milk in a red color, that white shade that comes. It looks very pretty sari, beautiful pinkish red, lovely, and it's silver zari, very nice. This is a very nice sari. Now I'll show you one Modhumum batik in export quality mulberry silk. Very fine, beautiful work. Wax batik. So all kind of varieties I show, starting from embroidery, weaving, tissue, work, cottons, all range will be displayed. These are, if you can see how well the painting has been done in the border batik, and the body is in crack. This is very premium quality mulberry silk, very fine quality, and cracks, and comes with a running blouse piece. The blouse piece is running along with the sari, like this will come. Border will be there. Body cracks. I have another one in this. Our batik range starts from 5990, that is also in pure silk. But these you can understand, this this is the finest brush used for the painting, the design, the motifs. And see, all over, even if it's not all over, it's all the previous one also. All these are very fine karigari. The blouse piece, I'll show you the blouse piece. Same price. The blouse piece is this with the border. So this is a lovely piece. See, all over that had border pallu, and this is, and this, see the smartness of the sari. See, from the pallu, from the body, the pallu will be again plain with the border, because the sari is all over wax batik. Very pretty and super soft saris. Super soft, see, pure silk. Tissue tussar. I had worn this in a red color, pinkish red color, in one of the previous episodes of tissues, handwork saris. So on that we have this mirror work and embroidery done. The body is in pure tussar and tissue woven with mirror work and a contrast red blouse piece in tussar. Very, very beautiful machine fulkari work. So if you're liking the videos, do share and subscribe to our channel. We are coming up with lovely, unusual products in our Reels, Instagram Reels Sanskriti Kolkata, and also our Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. We do live videos. So I'll just quickly finish the shoot today, and then I'll go for the 6 o'clock live also today. So while I'm recording, not while the video will be displayed. So it's just we announce the dates of the live videos. This is number 17, another lovely silk organza with stripe weaving in gold, and what a rich border. These Banarasi Upara pure silk borders, hand woven, comes with this blouse piece. It's such a gorgeous piece. Beautiful, soft, lovely sari, and it will have a great fall. Number 17, this is the reverse side to show you the neatness of the reverse of the product. Desi tussar hand kachi work with mirrors. Lovely देसी टसर कलर में कुछ अलग ग्लैमर है. Very beautiful handwork. Desi tussar comes with a blouse piece. This is the blouse. We can wear a red blouse with the border, use a border. Desi tussar katha. Traditional combination. Nokshi katha in the pallu. Arm kolka with all over leheria work. Very pretty. And if you want the red piping tassels to be done, 300 rupees extra and time needed for that. Blouse piece. This is the pallu. Desi tussar katha. All in the same red combinations. Lovely pieces. They look so pretty, and I have more options in Desi tussar kathas for the festive season, for all the lovely Durga Puja occasions. for gifting, anniversaries, not only for Durga Puja. These saris are, you know, they throughout the year, कोई भी पूजो हो और शादी का माहौल हो, वहाँ पे आप सभी जगह पे पहनकर जा सकते हैं। इसमें पूरा फिगर काथा है, बहुत सुंदर डबल लाइन फिगर काथा with birds and deer, and this is the blouse piece. These are the flowers, and this is the lovely deer feeding on the grass. Bangalore silk katha, this is just the opposite combination, red body and tussar color work and off-white work. So pretty, so pretty. Rich red, pure premium quality Bangalore silk and fully fine handwork done in traditional katha, traditional motif, guri ran katha, apurbo apurbo dekhte. Another option is the one that is hanging. Red color katha with again similar combination, but again lovely work in this also. Desi, Bangalore silk. This is the blouse piece. Border. Price, I'll tell you, 9,900. And look at the amount of work. This is the lower border. Upper border, slightly narrower. This is the upper border. बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी है. This is another lovely set, unstitched 3-piece suit set with the silk organza sequins, extremely pretty work, aptly done. This is the reverse side. See how well the finishing is done in the dupatta. Very, very pretty. The body is in tussar with all over chicken work. Lower border में भी आपका वो applique है. 7,500 is the price. Unstitched 3-piece set with a bottom. Unstitched 3-piece set, really beautiful. Those who wants to wear suits, it's a lovely one. Very pretty. We have the tailoring unit. If you want the suits or blouses to be stitched, we'll connect you to the tailoring department after payment. We have a very classy piece of cross stitch in Desi tussar. Tussar embroidery machine cross stitch with very pretty shades, very lovely, and you know, after draping it will look very nice actually. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, बहुत सोबर साड़ी है, and this is the blouse piece. Go for traditional gold jewelry, a small red bindi. It looks so pretty. Next comes a Kanjivaram, brocade Kanjivaram. All over zari weave in an off-white shade, ivory type shade. Very classy, traditional. 3-color border plus the zari weave. Red, purple and orange. This is the gorgeous achol and the pallu. And the blouse piece. The blouse piece is along with the pallu, red with the border. This is the sari. Look at the sari. All over jal zari weave. And the zari का जो weave है, इसमें gold तो है ही, उसके साथ ये सिल्वर भी है, बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, बहुत प्रिटी. This during son or daughter's wedding, the mother or mother-in-law can also think about this. This is really pretty. Gorgeous pallu, and we have another brocade that has little less zari. This is all over brocade Kanjivaram sari. This is the sari. Gold. This is one of our hot selling item. Best seller in brocade Kanjivaram. Pallu and blouse piece. Next is the one that I'm wearing. Usi ka color in a dark maroonish color, coffee color. Comes with this blouse piece in checkered zari. Kanchipuram silk with hand painted pichwai and pitan zari outline. Totally new concept in today's video. Body is in checkered pure silk, number 25, 16,900 pure Kanchipuram silk with hand painted border and Ari Zari outline, free hand painting pichwai border, very different. Number 25. 16,900, the one that I'm wearing. This is also a similar concept but in red border. $16,900 comes with same red checkered silk blouse piece. बहुत सुंदर साड़ी, ऑफ वाइट के ऊपर जरी चेक्स, हैंड पेंटेड पिचवाई, border with zari ari outline. Very unique piece. Bengal woven tussar in Manipuri palla and border. Woven in Bengal. Manipuri palla, blouse piece. Class. Look at this. It's just like the mekhla design. We see the Assamese mekhla chador. उसी का डिजाइन से ये बहुत unusual पल्ला बूटा border in pure tussar, Bengal woven. Inspired by the lovely weaves from Assam. Raw silk Banarasi in antique zari buta border. With the red raw silk blouse piece. बहुत खूबसूरत साड़ी. We missed out this red batik, so again I'm showing you another worldly design. Folk design hand batik in silk with this blouse piece. Pure silk with this is the pallu. Body all over work, the pallu will have the border. Folk design. The folk blouse piece border. Cotton baluchori This is cotton chanderi with a woven border palla baluchori design. Price only 2200 with tassels and blouse piece, and the blouse piece is fully, see how we've done the blouse. The blouse is fully woven, front, back, even this is the front. It's totally mentioned. See, it's woven and mentioned. So sweet of my weaver. Back is mentioned. They've woven and written the back. They've used the front also. They've written the front in weave. So it's very pretty how sweetly they've done this. And only 2200. Cotton chanderi balu chori. If you see the reverse, it's totally woven. Last sari, hold your breath, a pure handloom cotton ganjam bomkai with black and red Ganga Jamuna woven border and blouse piece. This is a 80 count pure cotton thread used. Full 80 count directly from the weaver. Very, very pretty, original. See, this is the where you will cut the blouse. It's just here the demarcation is done. Cotton थोड़ा सा thick होता है क्योंकि ये पूरा हैंडलूम है और हाई काउंट है. इसका हल्का काउंट भी आता है लेकिन ये ओरिजिनल है. It's fully woven, typical traditional bomkai, and their classy rich pallu, our showstopper of today's episode. Superb piece. And lastly, before I end, the neck piece set and the jewelry that I'm wearing. 4900 is the neck piece with the earring set. 4900 and the pair of balas. 3990. 3990. It has a screw system 2426 and it can be worn by all wrist sizes. 3990 the pair and the set is 4900 with the earring. Do share and subscribe to the channel. Our address 2C Cornfield Road, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane, Ballygunge, Kolkata 19 from August 11th of August. Every day we are open including Sundays and 15th of August. Thank you.